If you want to know how to make these delicious mall-like pretzels, then keep watching this video. Okay guys, welcome back to Maxie's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple recipe that I use to make pretzels for my kids. So they're asking for some pretzels. So I said, okay, let me make you guys some pretzels, and I want to show you how simple and easy it is to make pretzels, and it's just like the pretzels at the mall, soft, delicious, and chewy. So first thing that you're going to need is 4 cups of self-rising flour. Now you could need this, but I really don't feel like it, so I'm just going to use my food processor. Add some salt to your flour. Once you've done that, you're going to put the cover on. Close it, and once I start pouring my water, I'm gonna turn it on and then make it go until it turns into a ball.
I was too young and I didn't understand that you
Gonna get my self-rising flour, and I'm just gonna dust on top of it like that because it's still a little sticky. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna fold it over. Just keep folding it over. So now, to get the kids involved, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of flour and just put on the counter like that.
So I can put my hand on it?
Yeah. Get the kids involved. Try not to get too much flour on the floor.
and all you can see is red till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you.
Alright, so we rolled all our pretzels, and the next thing that we have to do is take one of my pretzels. I'm going to dip it down like this for a few seconds. I have some melted butter here that I'm going to use. This is the vegan butter. And before I put it in the oven, alright guys, so it's been about, I put them in for 21 minutes altogether, and this is what these yummy pretzels look like. OMG. And I'm just putting a little bit of my melted butter all over it. That's what they look like. Absolutely yummy. Look at that. And delicious. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please go ahead, if you do make this, tag me on Maxinescorner on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's it guys. That's all I have for you on Maxinescorner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And what? Stay healthy.